Hello, today we will guide you through how to schedule or delay delivery of emails in Microsoft Outlook. Scheduling an email is a great way to write messages when it's convenient for you and have them arrive at the perfect time, whether that's the start of someone's workday or a specific date you don't want to forget. Begin by opening Outlook and going to Mail so you're looking at your inbox. From here, start a new message by selecting New Mail. In the Compose window, add your recipient in the To field. You can type a name and select the correct contact from suggestions, or paste the full address. Then add a clear subject so the recipient knows what to expect, and write your message in the body. If you need to attach files, insert links, or format text, it's best to do that before scheduling so everything is ready to go. Instead of clicking Send right away, look for the small arrow or drop-down next to the Send button. Select that drop-down to reveal additional options, then choose Schedule Send. This opens a scheduling panel or dialog where you can pick when the email should go out. Choose a date and time that suits your purpose. Many people aim for typical business hours to increase the chance of a quick response, or they schedule around different time zones so the message lands at a convenient hour. Take a moment to make sure the time you select reflects your intended time zone. Outlook uses your account settings to determine this. Once you've set the date and time, confirm your selection. Review the message one last time for accuracy. Links and attachments, then click Send. Outlook won't send it immediately. It will hold the message and deliver it automatically at the time you chose. This lets you get work off your plate now while ensuring it arrives later exactly when you want. If you don't see the Schedule Send option, try expanding the Compose window or ensuring you're using an up-to-date version of Outlook. Also, if your network connection is interrupted, Outlook will queue the message and send it as soon as it can, so keeping the app signed in on a reliable connection helps. That's all there is to it. You opened Mail, composed your message, used the Send drop-down to select Schedule Send, picked a date and time, and finalized by sending. With this workflow, you can communicate thoughtfully, avoid after-hours pings, and keep important emails from slipping your mind. Thanks for following along, and happy scheduling.